Ananya Mehra grew up in the quiet, polished lanes of Bhopal, where every neighbor knew her parents as the doctor couple. Her father, Dr. Harish Mehra, a surgeon with healing hands. Her mother, Dr. Shalini Mehra, a gynecologist who carried calm wherever she went. For Ananya, medicine was not just a profession, it was destiny. At 6 years old, she wrote her name on scraps of paper. Dr. Ananya Mehra. She imagined saving lives, but life has its own syllabus. Despite sleepless nights, despite endless revision, she fell short. 1 mark for the first time. Ananya did not know who she was anymore. Maybe I'm not meant for this.
बेटा, क्या हुआ?
हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं।
मुझे डर लग रहा है।
Her parents held her close. They suggested horticulture, a different path, inside a nursery. Ananya touched the soil and felt alive again. She learned plants heal land, flowers heal minds, roots heal silently. People came, smiled, breathed easier.
Welcome to our garden workshop on plant therapy. These plants have a natural ability to heal and calm. Mom, Dad, welcome to my garden. It's absolutely beautiful, beta.
We're so proud of you.
Thank you.
Her parents watched her, not broken, not lost, whole. Ananya never became a doctor, but she became a healer. Because some heal with medicines, some heal with hands, and some heal with nature.